Hello and a very warm welcome to my channel. My name is Tamara and this is my channel, Tamara Morton Crafts. I'm so pleased that you're here. So let me start by telling you a little bit about myself. I started my crafting journey back in 2005 where I actually got a handmade card from my cousin. And I thought it was fantastic, and I thought, I'm sure I can do something like that. So off I trotted to my nearest craft shop and I bought myself some cards, some bits and pieces, some peel-offs and things like that, some pens and some stamps and inks, and I came back and I threw everything at the card and I thought it looked amazing. When in fact, it really wasn't that good. But for my first try, I thought it was fantastic. And fast forward 20 odd years and I'm still in love with this hobby. So from card making, I then, as I said, moved on to stamping and colouring, which I love to do. I then moved on to and found something called mixed media, and I fell in love with everything painty and messy, and I absolutely love it. So from mixed media, I then went on to making my own books. I started with making mixed media and then adding my mixed media into my own books that I made. And it's still very much something that I love to do now. So that's where this channel was born, because I wanted to show and teach my designs in memory books and mini albums to you. So I specialise in good quality, easy to follow and out of the box thinking tutorials, with my main focus being, as I've said, making and designing mini albums and scrapbooks. And these books in time will become a very treasured handmade keepsake that you will be able to pass down for generations. So some of my tutorials will include boxes that you will make and standalone pieces that your books can be housed in, and are designed to look after all those important family memories. There are also some of them designed that when you put them on the bookshelves, they just look so nice that they just scream to be taken off the bookshelf and looked at. The products that I use and papers are from some of the best known companies in the crafting industry, and they will really make your projects come to life. It's amazing what we can do with a piece of paper, some cardstock, some glue, some tape and a whole lot of imagination. So my tutorials can be used from the beginner and up to advanced level. I use a mixture of metal dies and the more traditional techniques to construct my books. And I promise you that you will be able to create a brilliant mini album in next to no time. So come on and join me on my journey into making and preserving your own special memories. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Hope to see you soon on my next mini album tutorial.